हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज मास्ट सेल्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद. So mast cells are the cells that are associated with areolar connective tissue. So areolar connective tissue is a type of connective tissue and here it is a loose connective tissue. क्योंकि loose इसलिए कह रहे हैं because here the fibers and जो cells हैं they are loosely arranged. So this is having a jelly-like matrix in which cells and fibers are there which are loosely arranged. So it is an example of loose connective tissue. Now this is the most abundant tissue of animal body. Means हमारी body में this is present in the maximum amount. So most abundant tissue है. It is found under our skin. ये हमारी skin के नीचे, around the organs and in the space between the organs ये present होता है. तो एक packing की material की तरह से काम करता है. Now this tissue is composed of a matrix जो कि jelly जैसी होगी and there will be fibers which are of two types. एक तो होंगे white color के fibers जिनको हम कहते हैं collagen fibers and the second one is elastin fibers, yellow fibers. ठीक है, ये दो तरह के fibers होंगे and there will be cells. So cells are of several types. Like there will be cells which will secrete the fibers. They are called the fibroblast. There will be the plasma cells जो antibodies release करेंगी. There will be the macrophages जो कि phagocytic cells हैं. There will be the mast cells. So mast cells क्या करती हैं? These secrete chemicals. The chemicals include the heparin, histamine and the serotonin. Actually these are the cells जो हमारे blood के अंदर basophils हैं. These are similar to basophils. So we can now see कि जैसे यहाँ पे आपको अगर एक डायग्राम से हम रिप्रेजेंट करें, so this is branched fiber जो कि yellow fibers हैं. Yellow fibers are the branched fibers. So this is a yellow fiber. Now there will be bundles of white fibers. So white fibers के bundles होंगे जिनको हम कहते हैं collagen fiber जो unbranched है. So these are collagen fibers. These will be the fibroblasts जो इनको secrete कर रही हैं and there will be the mast cells जो कि release कर रही हैं. This is the matrix. So आप देख रहे हो कि जो mast cells हैं these are the cells of areolar connective tissue. While exocrine glands are associated with the epithelial tissue. So these are not there. These are duct glands. So these are the modification of epithelium. But mast cells are present in the connective tissues. Endocrine cells are the ductless glands जो कि hormones release करती हैं. These are also associated with the epithelium, epithelial tissue. Neural tissue is a special type of tissue as you all know. But here the mast cells are associated with the areolar connective tissue. So the right answer of this question is option C. Thank you.